Modern fuel vapors membrane worn have these made out of Viton or Nitrile. And you see what inside my vacuum cleaner. Patrick's garage. Modern gasoline is rubber. Unfortunately, yes, I'm big proponent of using old stock spare parts, but in case with membrane, will be better to buy the brand new membrane. Of course, I have these old stock kits, so I'm highly recommend to buy this membrane made out of Viton or Nitrile. Our piston, if it drops so fast, probably membrane worn, you know, small two holes inside of this piston. Air goes through these two holes in this piston inside. Time required. Let's make trick with vacuum cleaner, and we can see how works this system, constant depression carburetor vacuum system, how it works. And meantime we're going to check our membrane. Now let's connect our vacuum cleaner to our carburetor and see how this beautiful carburetor works with vacuum. So I'm connecting the hose of my vacuum cleaner. Our leverage system free. Press stop. Yes, we can notice that vacuum works. Sure, it's not enough vacuum which can be created by engine Volvo B20 or Volvo B18. You know, with years, this membrane inside can lose its elasticity. And it can be not only with holes, but it can be baggy, you know, and because of that, piston can't go directly, it will be inclined, and of course worn of piston will be increased, and even centralized needle in older models can suffer because of that too. Over the years of exposure, modern fuel vapors membrane suffer, it lost its elasticity. It can be with small holes, it can be baggy, and probably each 5 years we should buy the new membrane. So with additional side force our piston wears faster, its direction goes out of line. If this diaphragm worn baggy, it can't allow our piston to move freely. There is no any troubles in replacing our membrane, which under this, you know, dome shape, this our upper part of our Zenith-Stromberg carburetor, you know, diaphragm inside. Hey, look, you can block this hole and check how it goes up and down. So let's open our upper part of our carburetor, you know, here Phillips screws. You need Phillips screwdriver to open this cap of our carburetor. You know, this mark, this means correct position of our carburetor top part, you know, so we can unscrew easily these screws. And look, well, we can unscrew diagonally, and also we want to tighten diagonally, but now it doesn't matter. We're going to unscrew our top part of carburetor, you know. Hey, look, this screw. And I want to say that slot screwdriver will be required if you have old style carburetor from 60s with slot screws. And you remember position of this cap, and you see what inside, what you see, this interesting screw. 4 screws also here, this spring. This spring is different, it depends of model of carburetor. You don't want to mix, to change these springs if you have different types of carburetor. And you see our membrane, our piston. And first of all, you want to check your membrane. You want to stretch this membrane and look closer to the shape which suffers by age from vapors of modern gasoline with ethanol, modern gasoline. So here you see this is 2 holes in our piston to create vacuum inside. For creation vacuum it works because of this membrane, so it should be in a pristine shape, without any deforms. So even pinhole on this diaphragm will be enough to stop movement on the halfway of this piston, especially at higher RPM, probably since 3000 of RPM. This small hole in this membrane will be increased, and you can't achieve perfect performance from your beautiful Volvo B20 or B18 engine. You can agree or disagree with me, especially if you are SU lover, carburetors without this membrane, just metal to metal, and it rubs metal to metal in the case of SU carburetor, so it can be worn. And with our Zenith-Stromberg carburetor, cheapest solution to replace this membrane. But if you have SU carburetor, you want to go to machine shop to repair your carburetor, because piston wobbles, inside, metal rubs metal, and it can work forever. But with this carburetor, Zenith-Stromberg, will be enough to just replace this cheapest part of your carburetor, Zenith-Stromberg. But this membrane should be made out of modern rubber, like your rubber rings on the bottom of your carburetor. If you have adjustable main jet, rubbers inside of this main jet, they should be also made out of modern rubber, which not going so suffer as old style of rubber because of exposure modern gasoline. So it's cheapest way, just replace this membrane. Sure, you want to check with a lighter, look, stretch a little bit membrane and look. Can you see small holes with lighter, They will be visible. When it's slightly tensioned, you can't see holes, so you can help with this light. You want to look through. Here you can't notice anything, and stretch it a little bit, but they can be, these pinholes, they can be invisible, and you can feel it at the high speed only. At lower speed it's not noticeable, but at high speed you can feel that something go wrong, and you're going to blame your engine carburetor. But this cause can be just wrong membrane, baggy, or even with pinholes in this membrane. Sure, car stumbles when you press the gas. So yes, when you go to grocery, riding around your neighborhood, you can't feel anything. But this small hole, so you can feel this failure only on highway. You don't want to wait this exposure of wrong membrane for your comfort, The small hole but biggest consequences when on highway you want to hit the gas and get enjoy from your beautiful Volvo, classic Volvo, but you can't. So will be better to check your membrane before long trip. They're cheap, they're available, and you don't want to spend your time finding causes of wrong carburetor, and it's impossible to adjust your carburetor with wrong membrane. So you don't want to touch adjusting screw of your carburetor before you checked the membrane. Of course, as you owners, they don't want to say this true, that SU carburetor can be severely worn and can be really expensive repair required when with case of Zenith-Stromberg carburetor you can avoid these expensive wastings just by replacing cheapest membrane, but it should be made out of proper material. Nitrile or Viton, it can resist to exposure of vapors of modern gasoline. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.